Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw and reconcile payouts using QuickBooks Online, complete guide step by step clearly. Log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the left-hand menu and select Banking. Choose the bank account you wish to reconcile. Click on Go to Banking. In the banking screen, find the For Review tab. Locate the payouts you want to withdraw. Select the payout transaction by checking the box next to it. Click the Batch Actions drop-down. Choose Exclude Selected to remove the transaction from the review queue. Next, go to the Excluded tab. Here, find the excluded transaction again. Under the Action column, click on View to open the transaction details. Verify that the transaction details are accurate. If everything looks correct, click Delete if you need to remove it permanently, or leave it for future reconciliation. Now, navigate back to the Banking tab. Click on Reconcile under the appropriate bank account. Choose the statement ending date that matches your bank statement. Enter the ending balance from your bank statement. Click on Start Reconciling. Review each transaction listed in QuickBooks. Match transactions from your bank statement with those in QuickBooks. Check off each matched transaction one by one. Ensure that the difference at the top of the screen is 0. If any transactions are missing, go back to your transactions and add them. Once everything matches perfectly, click on Finish Now. Your reconciliation is now complete. Review your QuickBooks reports to confirm the changes. If necessary, run a profit and loss report to see the impact of the payouts on your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.